Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Novelah Roblox. We'll dive straight into the essentials, starting with how to access and set up Novelah within your Roblox Studio environment. This initial step is crucial for unlocking its full potential, allowing you to begin crafting unique and engaging game elements right away. We'll cover the basic interface and initial configurations to get you up and running smoothly. Now, let's explore Novelah's core features. You'll find a streamlined interface designed for efficiency, with clearly labeled sections for events, functions, and properties. Mastering the event system is key. It allows your game to react dynamically to player actions or in-game occurrences. We'll also look at how to define and call custom functions, giving you precise control over your game's unique mechanics and interactions. Moving on to advanced scripting, Novelah provides a robust editor for writing your own code. You can tap into its extensive API to create complex interactions, from custom character movements to intricate environmental effects. We'll also cover essential debugging techniques, helping you identify and fix any issues in your scripts quickly. This ensures your game runs smoothly and delivers the intended player experience without unexpected glitches. Finally, let's discuss best practices and optimization. To ensure your game performs optimally, it's vital to write efficient scripts and manage your resources wisely. Organizing your code into logical modules will make it easier to maintain and scale as your project grows. Remember to rigorously test your game under various conditions to catch any potential bugs or performance bottlenecks before your players encounter them, ensuring a polished final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.